Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about YouTube, how to create channel, how to upload videos, how to do titles and description, and how thumbnail should be, and how to increase the subscribers, and how to increase the revenue, what kind of channels are good, which country you should target. So things we're gonna start. Second. Yes, YouTube is a good platform to make money. Previously, there were no rules. You create a YouTube channel today and you can start earning money. But now they put a rule like you should have minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. When it comes to 4,000 watch hours, this has to be in the past 12 months. Means every 12 months, you have to prove 4,000 watch hours. So this is not tough. This is not easy also. It depends on your content, how good your video is. Sometimes one video will give you 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I will show you in my analytics how few of the videos got well actually. Right. Next, with one Gmail account, you can have multiple YouTube channels, but having multiple channels is not a great thing. Have one and focus on that. Or else if you want, you can create. I suggest instead of one Gmail account, try to have a different Gmail account for different channels if you want to go big. Because if you want to make money, your YouTube account is linked with Google AdSense account. All your YouTube earnings will be coming to the Google AdSense account only. If you have created multiple channels with the same Gmail account, then you might have confusion like which channel is earning how much money. That's why I suggest if you have multiple channels, multiple Gmail accounts, if you have, that's much better. But generally people have only one Gmail account. So once you create a channel, focus more on increasing the subscribers and watch hours. How to create? It's nothing. Once you have a Gmail account, go to YouTube. By default, with your Gmail account, one channel have been created. That's it. If you see, your channel will be there. You also have a YouTube Studio option is there. I'm not actively using this. Now, if you click on switch account, you can have multiple accounts. See add account. That's not there. So by default, if you log in, whatever the name is there, that will be your channel. But when it comes to me, here if you see, switch accounts, because I've created multiple channels, the different channels are there. The remaining are I'm not using actually. This is the main channel I'm using. Okay, so log into your Gmail account and your channel will be there. Now, how to upload a video? See here, before you upload a video, remember these things. First thing, video quality and content. Make sure that you have a good quality. At the same time, content also should be more engaged. If people really love the content, they spend a lot of time on this. Then apply the techniques, your video will go viral. Second, when you're uploading a video, what is important is title and descriptions. This comes under SEO, title, description, tags will be there. This comes under SEO, YouTube SEO. Third, thumbnail. This is also very important because when people are searching or they're watching some YouTube videos, if your thumbnail is attracting, there is a possibility you will get more clicks. Now, when I play this video, see right hand side, some thumbnails are there. People attract with these thumbnails. This is again some kind of a copywriting only. See, when it comes to Telugu people, they're showing a lot of talent actually. See, there is some caption they gave here, but that might not be there in that or not. But they're making in such a way that people should click on that. That's how they're attracting 1.2 million views. If you're going for a professional content, don't do like this anyway, or try to give value for them, because you're looking for a longer benefits and your thumbnail is cheating, then people don't trust your channel. So thumbnail is very important. Fourth
But
is, yes.
yeah, but YouTube is blocked that kind of thumbnails. No? Thumbnail should be there in like in video. The content should be there like in with the thumbnail.
See, anyway, it's not easy for the YouTube to go and check every video whether the same thing is there or not. So it's impossible actually. So anyway, here the topic is about this thing only. Maybe whatever the word they mentioned, it might be there, it might not be there.
Yeah.
So there is no control. YouTube can't control anyway. See, YouTube, how it will control? On what basis they come to know that it is irrelevant? People clicked and people skip the video because nothing is there. And people keep on disliking, then only they can take an action. So initially, if you upload, if it is not relevant, also YouTube can't do anything. After a few days only, they can do action. Watch time. So here it's very important. Based on this only, YouTube will think whether your content is good or not. So watch time is also very important. Then fifth is social media sharing. How good you're promoting your product. That is also very important. Based on this, next thing is comments. If all is good, then you have very good chance of increasing the subscribers and all these things. Let me do one by one. Now, first thing, video quality and content. As of now, mine is about education. So in the Zoom, I took classes. In the same classes, I recorded actually. It was a screen sharing and screen recording. That's why these videos are there. Obviously, it's a good quality only. It's not a video, it's just a screen recording. For education, most of the thing it's good. But I'm telling you again, instead of just screen recording, if I show my face, trust will build up, more views will be coming. It's always advisable. As of now, I'm not ready to go that. Maybe in the future, definitely I'll go for that. Now I'm going to upload this video, which I'm talking about Google Analytics. And content is always good. It's a subject, so people come here. Now here, there is an option called create, then upload videos. Now uploading that video. Right. Now video started uploading. Now here titles and descriptions are very, very important. Let me try the title description. 1 second. Comes keyword research. Mine is about Google Analytics. So I'm going to over suggest any keyword research tool, you can go there. I'm typing Google Analytics here. Want to see what is the search volume? How many people are searching? Based on that, I want to give the title and description. Google Analytics tutorial 1300 volume is there. You can see the CPC cost per click is $4. There is lot of difference making a video on the latest news. Just now we see some news about some anchor. Even though you have 1 lakh views also, the CPC is very less for them. That's why they end up getting less paid. Now see, if you do a video on Google Analytics and assume that you got 1 lakh views, the revenue will be awesome. Only because of this video, you might end up getting $1,000 and subscribers also maybe 1,000. That's why choose what kind of topic content you have to upload. So obviously the CPC is very good. Then people are searching Google Analytics tutorial 2020, PDF, event tracking, reports tutorial, tutorial YouTube for beginners. For beginners also there. Now, if I go for more ideas, there will be more actually, but I don't want to waste your time. Remember, before you uploading the video, spend minimum 30 minutes on the keyword research only. Gather all the keywords and brainstorm. Then see, I'll confirm my title will be like this. Based on this information, Google Analytics tutorial. See, Google Analytics tutorial satisfied 2020. Now people are searching for 2021. Then what is missing? For beginners, YouTube. YouTube also there, right? Here, YouTube also. Now, I try to add almost all the keywords which have a search volume. Google Analytics tutorial 2021 for beginners, YouTube. Now, let me take this. Now, before that, let me go to YouTube. Let me search the same thing on the YouTube. Who are coming on the top? Google Analytics tutorial. Now here also see suggestions are coming for beginners, 2020, for blogger, for beginners, Telugu, English, for Shopify. Now see 6 months ago he uploaded and 1,65,000 views came. Now the normal video who are talking about movies and this guy talking about Google Analytics, there is a lot of difference. They got 10 million views. This guy got 1 lakh views, both are same. 1 crore views for that and 1 lakh views for this, both are same. Because mostly this video targeting almost all the countries and the CPC for this kind of topic is high, then he end up getting paid well. Now see his title, Google Analytics full course, Google Analytics tutorial for beginners. See what are the keyword research we've done. Almost he used full tutorial 2020 he used. Now this is 2021. This guy got 1,95,000. Again, views will be depends on their channel numbers also. If their channel subscribers are more, obviously they end up getting more. How to set up Google Analytics? Okay, by seeing all of them, we have our own thing. See here, up to 100 characters you can do it. Google Analytics 21 for beginners, YouTube. Now still we have step by step Google Analytics full course. Done. This is my title. Here in the video, I did little research, but if I'm really going uploading a video, I'll do a lot of research based on that only. A description you can have up to 5,000 characters. So take a serious on this because YouTube, you have a video on the YouTube. Let me open this. Now see, generally, this is the YouTube video. When it comes to Google, come here. This will see it as a one page only. If only video is there, Google will not rank it highest. If the content is there, there is a possibility they'll make it on top. That's why try to make your content more in the description so that this will also rank. See, these people have wrote everything about this thing. What is this? What is this? What is this? And they gave link to their social media and all. And one more thing, comments. Comments makes your SEO more powerful. If more people are talking over here, they're adding the content. This will also obviously improve your SEO rankings. So I spent some time here, right? So here I'm writing, okay. Okay, 1 second. Let me write something else here. I'll explain you what I'm writing here. So the first 3 lines always I use this. So I'm using this. I'll tell you why I'm writing this. Even though you have 5,000 lines to write, when you're watching the video, see the first 3 lines only visible. In the first 3 lines, instead of SEO, I'm focusing more on the people who are watching here. They scroll down, they see the description, they see the comments also. In the description, I'm asking them to take my consultation or enroll for my course. If you ask, definitely sales will improve. I observed initial days of my videos upload, I never used to ask this thing. When I started asking this thing, enroll for my courses have been improved, and at the same time, uh, clients who sending mails also improved actually. That's how I improved my client base. That's why the first three lines, what is my purpose of making video at the same time, giving a knowledge at the same time, promotion myself. That's why I'm doing this. Next, I'm writing about the SEO part. So, 1 second. Then I'm using the hashtags like hash. This is about Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Hash GF4 4 and hash ODMT. Right. See here, title I gave and the description, the first three line, uh, kind of a call to action, which will attract my business I mentioned here, and content of my video explained. And I gave link to my social account so that I increase the numbers. Then I give three hashtags. Try to give three hashtags, not more than that. Then thumbnail. I said thumbnails are very, very important. And through Canva, I can create good thumbnails. I just created a very simple thumbnail anyway. I'm still experimenting on this. When it comes to thumbnail, if you want to thumbnail creators, there are some tool in the market. Paid tools came actually. So I was checking in the Facebook today. So that they're giving something, thumbnail maker. Games game. Seems they're not running ads here. When I checked on the Facebook, the ad was coming. Maybe it will come again. Let's see this. Okay, but there are some tools actually where by paying money, beautiful thumbnails you can do it. But it's an experiment. When you start with this Canva, slowly you will increase. See my thumbnails. Uh, do the course, I slowly improved. Still, it's not perfect actually. If you do Photoshop on Corel Draw, you can do much better. But just I stick to Canva only. So when I started my first videos, the thumbnails were different, and slowly I'm improving. Okay, now I've done this thumbnail and I'm going to upload the same thumbnail. Yes. Then if you created any playlist, you just add to him. Playlist is one of the good way of improving the analytics. I'll make a separate video on the playlist here. Right. You have to mention whether you made it for kids or not. I didn't made for the kids. Now here tags are very important. And I'm giving the tags here. Tags are like SEO. Again, when it comes to your text SEO, like website or blogs, previously meta keywords, there was an option. Now Google is not considering them. But when it comes to YouTube, still these tags are powerful actually. Okay. And when it comes to YouTube, there are tools actually. With the tools, we can see your competitor tags, what kind of tags they used. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one website. And apart from TubeBuddy, there are many other. vidIQ is there. These are browser add-ons. I think this guy is giving for 1 month free of cost. When it comes to vidIQ, up to some time, it is free of cost. These people will give you your competitors analytics, particular video. If you mention what kind of title they have used, what description they've used, what are the tags they use, also you can use it. So the smart way of doing, it's always good that you do your homework instead of the competitor. But if you don't have time, if you think that particular competitor is very good, then you can spy on them. So vidIQ is one and TubeBuddy is one. And with these two tools, you can see what competitors done. We can copy them anyway. Social Blade is a tool where you will see the channel analytics actually. how much is their revenue, and how many videos they uploaded, and these all the analytics you can see. You just remember these three tools and check them. Right, I'm not doing that. I'm directly uploading the video. Right, second. Tags. When it comes to this about Google Analytics, right? Google Analytics, Google Analytics for new Analytics, Analytics course, Google Analytics tutorial, Google Analytics 2021 for beginners. How many you can give? See, still 173. I can use up to 500. At the same time, you can use your brand name. Okay. One more thing I'm doing, you can use like this also, Neil Patel. Why? Because now I mentioned in every my channel, I'm mentioning ODMT. Based on the tags, right hand side, suggested videos will come. Okay. Now Neil Patel might have used this. If I also use Neil Patel, when people are watching Neil Patel videos, there is a possibility my video will come as a suggested videos. Like example, this is Tinmar Mallana views. I click on this. When I'm opened, most of the time, the related content will become, see, mostly this kind of guy or else other Telugu content only coming. How? Based on the tags, like Telugu news, Telangana news, these people might have used the same thing. This is how the suggested news will come because both people have used the same tags. In the same way, you can give your competitors names so that when people are viewing their videos, there is a possibility will come here. Right. If I have time, I could have used more anyway. Enough now. Then everything is fine. I just gave a title, description, a thumbnail, and I'll try to add it to the playlist. Did I add any analytics one? I don't have any analytics one. Then if so, I can create a new playlist. Analytics. Visibility public and 2021. This was the main keyword, right? The Uber suggest Google Analytics tutorial. Right, great. Even this playlist also perform SEO. So sometimes your playlist will come on top. Then I am uploading this video to this. Done. Right. Then next, monetization. See, you might be uploading a number of videos anyway. If you want to monetize this video or not, if you think some kind of copyright is there, it's better not monetize it. But everything is fine. So monetization on. Then what kind of ads you want in the video? Display ads, overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. Whatever you want, you can select it. And location of the video ads, where you want. Before video, pre-roll. During the video, mid-roll. Okay, after the video, post-roll. Pre-roll, mid-roll, post-roll. This based on the video duration, automatically Google shows enough number of times according to their algorithm. They know that how many times they want to show that. But if you want, it is there in your control also. Manage mid rolls. Where you want to show the ads, you can mention this. Now, if you want to add here, n number of times, it's better. It's better leave it to the Google anyway instead of you disturb the audience anyway, because Google better know that. But some people, if they think that the content is awesome, even though if you stuff with so many ads, they'll stay, then you can go ahead. But as of now, I'm not doing anything here. Next, ad suitability. Does your video content, title, description, keywords contain any of the following, like inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful or dangerous acts, recreational drugs content, hateful, firearms, sensitive events, controversial issues? Remember, if you're doing this kind of thing means it will not monetize. Sometimes they'll block your content also. Arts is none of the above. Then fine. Save for ads. See how you rated your video overall. Save for the ads. Next. Next. Video elements. Now, if you want, you can add subtitles, end screen, add cards. End screen means if your video is about to end in 4 to 5 minutes or 5 seconds, you can add end screen. You can add a video, you can add a playlist, or else you can ask them to subscribe, or else you can give a link to your website also. Anything is fine anyway. If you want, you can add a playlist here. Now I'm mentioning because Google Analytics they're watching means obviously they might be interested in the Google ads. I'm mentioning them. 45 minutes, 33 seconds, it will come. The time it is coming. Then save. There is a possibility now, customer came to my channel, he's watching this video, there is a possibility he'll stay more time for my other videos. Cards are nothing but while you're watching videos, you will see some kind of messages coming here. Here, you can also watch this. These are called cards. Now in the card, what do you want to show? You want to show the link? Yes, the type link. Then card title. What is the title? What is the call to action? What is the teaser text you have to mention? Just observe what I'm doing.
So,
Yes.
is that like we are not able to see so many options that you are showing in our channel? Like after 1 year, we'll be getting all those options?
Not 1 year. If the subscribers are keep on increasing, then automatically the options will come. It's more of the
Okay.
watch time and all this thing. Yes, new creators, you might not have seen all the options. I will show you what all the options you will not see. See,
Okay.
teaser text is this. Initial teaser text will be this. Enroll today
Okay.
for the course. It have a limit 30. Today for course. Okay, for the course I can use. Now if they click here, then it is app. It's showing the image, then call to action is learn digital marketing and enroll for the course, learn digital marketing online. Okay, now where you want it? So initially it is in the zero actually. Wherever you want, initially it's waste actually, it's better. Customer is watching for 10 minutes, maybe is more interested, then you can drag this. And it will be coming in that time. See, it will be coming like this. Online I'm missing. Yes, I'm very bad at spellings. I don't observe them. Online, save. Right. End screen and cards. Do research more on that. And next, copyright, no issues found. Ad suitable for ads based on your rating. Everything is fine. They checked everything is fine. Then next, visibility. Whether you want to go unlisted uh, or members only. Members only means like if you think that you don't want to give it free of cost, still there is a lot of value for your course. Members only means they have to pay monthly amount. Then only it will be available, but it's not recommended anyway. But some people, but not now anyway, previous days, years, they used to do. So I want to go public, actually, everyone can see this. But whereas if you want, you can do schedule also. If you want on the particular day only you want to do it, you can schedule it. Always go for public. And it's always good to set as a premiere, actually, instant premiere. When you set as a premiere, it will be live actually. See, some people, most of the people don't know that it's the difference between premiere and live. They think it is live and trainer is teaching on the particular time. It's always suggestible, always schedule them as a premiere at particular time and share it on the social media that every day 8 o'clock I'm coming live. Remember, consistently for 1 year, you work for 30 days only and 360 videos, you do assume that. And every day schedule like Wednesday 8 o'clock, Thursday 8 o'clock, and you made as public and premiere on the particular day. Then people know that okay, every day 8 o'clock I'm getting some valid information for this channel, they come. That's how the channel will grow actually. Now, as of now, I'm setting as instant premiere. Now the time is 5:50, means now 6 o'clock. When you're posting the video, also very important. Afternoon time is not good. Early morning and evening, night hours are very good. People will be active on the time. So that you will learn as the channel grows, because you will be having the analytics. I will show the analytics of my previous videos. Based on that, you can take a decision which time is good, then publish. Now my video is live. And after that, it is always good to share this link on the social media. This will also have a ranking. Now I'm sharing on the social media, Facebook. Okay, I'll copy this. Come back to my channel here, or else it's better I log in here only. Because people are there on my Facebook, they'll click and they come back to the premiere right now. So based on, see, my title will become Google Analytics 2021. So watch. Watch. Here also I'm giving hashtags. Done. Then it's always good to share it on the Twitter also. You already logged in here, it seems. Let me show here. And the LinkedIn also. Just share the link. And I'll be sharing on the LinkedIn also. Start a post. Here, instead of this, what I'm doing. So, and LinkedIn is different actually. I don't know. LinkedIn is not promoting much of the YouTube videos. Then it's always better use the image and watch Google Analytics full tutorial. And here is the link. I gave the link actually. This will work. See, automatically it converted to LinkedIn shorten URL, and someone click, it will come to my channel. See, already ads are coming. Already ads are coming because it's a pre-roll ad. Now see, Rivalia, right side. Thank you for the updated video, sir. Already people started. 4 people are watching now. Because I shared on the social media, they got the notification. One more thing, I have my own subscribers. What is the, people keep on asking, right? Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. People who click on the bell icon, they'll be getting a notification here. Like online digital marketing training have uploaded the video. Come and watch. That's how when you go for premiere or live, people uh, watching will be improving. Right now here, make it, guys. Well, yeah. Now people might be asking the question. See, I'm not live. If I go premium, if anyone asks questions, I can reply back to them. So that this video engagement will be more actually. Now, one more important thing is, I told you, right? The content should be more actually. Now, if more comments will come, that's much better. The first comment, you try to have your own comment. Let me write the comment for my video. Now I shared on most of the part. Let me go to the content. This is the video. And okay, here I'm button. See, people who subscribe, they will see. So YouTube only suggesting my channel. That is the benefit of regularly uploading the content. Sometimes YouTube do a favor in such a way that it will show your content to millions of people. So one day is enough for you. But I don't know when that day will come. Maybe based on the content and all. Now here in the comment, pasting that stuff. And my social media also promoting here. Why I'm doing also, I'll tell you. Because if comments more are coming, then you should always good to pin it. So your comment will be on top. Whenever people watching your video, there is a possibility they'll show the description. But if they miss, at least they will see the comments. And an average 90% of the people will see comments. So from here also, at least they click and they come back to website or they draft an email to you. That's why I'm doing here. Right. Now, all of you also, I'm sending you the link here in the chat. All of you click and just open it, and I'll tell you, I'm going to tell you why I'm doing this. Click and start watching it. Put it in a mute and start watching it. And you should also do this thing with your fans, with your friends. I'll be waiting for you. Please click on the link and start watching so that I will see here how many watching now. And all of you once watching, like the video first. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe it immediately. How videos will go viral? Instead of talking about, see, content is done, title, description, SEO part is done, thumbnail is time. Now this is the watch time. How your video will become viral. Initial, maybe the first 30 minutes or first one hour, the first 100 views, YouTube will calculate how much time they watched. Now you clicked on my link, you open my video, right? Don't close. Continuously watch it. If you don't watch it, mute it and just put it aside. Now it will consider as a you watched it 100%. Then YouTube thinks that based on their algorithm, okay, people are watching full of the video, means this content is good. Then YouTube keep on suggesting your video on the right hand side or else on the YouTube homepage. Okay, again, based on these likes also, most people liking also, YouTube thinks that, okay, this video is good video, then let me suggest to more people so that more views come. More views coming means good revenue for Google also. That's how Google algorithm works. That's why maybe you will be having at least 10 good friends, right? Whenever you upload a video, send to them and tell them to watch the entire the video. Whether they literally watch, it's okay. If not, also just mute it and put it aside. So the duration will be good. Average time for most of the great YouTube channels also is less than 3 minutes only, because people don't have time. They just watch initial time and they skip it. One guy watch for 20 minutes, one guy watch for 1 minute, average will be very less actually. So that's the thing. So Padmini said hi. Hi Padmini. Now here I have a formula of 3 C's. C, YouTube. See, people started watching your videos means they liked it. So they connected to you. Then they started a conversation with you. You got any comment, definitely you have to reply back. Now, if you have any questions in the future also, either you might email me or else you might be sending a message on the Facebook. Maybe I'll be busy, I may not reply. But if you put a comment within 24 hours, I'll reply back, because YouTube algorithm works in such a way that if you keep on replying back, the video rate will increase. So once they connect, because of your content, they start conversation. So you keep on replying back, the conversation build and trust will build. Then they will convert. They might join your courses. They might take consultation from you. If it is education, remaining is different. So connect, conversation and conversion. So every comment I reply back. Now people who are watching, all of you comment. Again, I'll tell you what you have to comment also. So because this is the again kind of SEO, you write a comment like great video on the Google Analytics. Analytics keyword use it. I'll be watching now. Please all of you comment it. Anyway, every video I can't ask people to do it because you are there and live. I'm asking. Then if you comment, if more comments are coming, uh, human psychology is different anyway. If there are 0 comments, people will not comment. If there are hundreds of comments, they also join the club and they keep on posting it. So I'm waiting for your comment. Comment it. Let's see. Now see all these people right hand side who saying hi. They think I'm live, but I'm not live. I'm waiting for your comment. Once you're done, send me a message. No, Kaza commented, then I like it. I'll put a love symbol. Again, love symbol also one kind of factor. This look crazy, but this is part of algorithm actually. And I reply back. Thank you. Watch more content. Chat. Right. So these are the small tricks actually. Now see, you comment, I had already commented comment from my side. Now Kaza have commented and reply back 1, 2, 3, 4 total comments. Right. Watch time is very important. Again, social media sharing also very important, and comments are very important. Now you see, after 3 days, I'll show you how much money I got it because of this video. Definitely good revenue will come because of this channel. Now let me show the analytics of my other videos. This is the YouTube dashboard actually, and it will show you uh, all the options like how many subscribers you have, whether any violations you've done or not, and what was the latest video, how was the performance, and total views, Last 28 days, how many views? What is the watch time? Yes. Any question? What is the revenue? And what are the latest comments? And who are the latest subscribers? What was my latest post? I'll show you. So this is the dashboard. Let me go one by one. Next is the content. Content means what are your videos? Previously, it was an option of videos. Now they're calling as a content. Maybe for the new channel creators, it will be still videos. Now, if I show you with my other channel, it is different actually. Channel. Here also content. Why they calling as a content? Because nowadays YouTube is kind of a social media platform only. You can upload a video at the same time. You can create a post also. Means same like a Facebook, you can post it. Then what was my this thing? See here. Share. Copy this. I'm pasting this here. Hey guys, sorry, this video. People who following me, if they open smartphone, there is a possibility they'll be getting a notification like this. These are my previous notifications. Now from here also clicks will improve. This option, the new creators don't have. I don't know, they didn't tell after which time they will be getting, but initially create a post option is not available for the new creators. This is the content. Next, playlist. What all the playlists you created? Playlists are very important, guys. Because of the playlist also SEO improve and your views will improve. I'll create a separate video on this because it requires again 30 more minutes. Now final is the analytics. The last 28 days, again I'm telling you, it's been 6 months I'm not making the videos. That's why the numbers are less. Maybe after a week, regularly I'm getting a training for one person. So regularly upload the videos, then numbers will go. Last 28 days, 9.5 thousand views. Watch time. This is what we're looking, right? Initially I said 4,000 watch hours we wanted. 700 watch hours means within 6 months I can finish it. So I'm in a safe side, no problem. And last 28 days, I got 133 subscribers and estimated revenue. If you see, if you click here, May 20th, yesterday, 420 views, 326. This is the regular views. Even though I'm not uploading your videos on the past 6 months, still because of my previous SEO views are coming. Now subscribers, 5 subscribers, 7 subscribers. When I was uploading video every day, I used to get 16, 20, 30 like that. Now revenue, see yesterday I got $5.1. Still again, I'm not uploading the video, still revenue is coming. This is what passive income with the YouTube. $1, $3, $1, $3. And consistently, if you take average $3 are coming in even. And these are the top videos in my channel in the last 28 days. Facebook custom tabs, 769 views. This information is important. You can judge like what kind of content people are watching more. Based on that, I understood that Facebook custom audience is good. Then I'll make a series of videos in the future for this. E-commerce also good. Like this. Obviously in my channel, Google ads are very famous actually. So this is the overview. Next, reach. Most of my content from YouTube search means my SEO is good actually. 50% of my traffic is coming from the YouTube search. Next is external source, channel pages, playlist, browse features. Now right hand side you can see 13% YouTube is recommending my content. Now when it comes to YouTube search also, for what keywords I'm getting keywords, Peter answers, biteable video example, SMGo, Twitter ads tutorial, off-page SEO step by step. If I click on more, what they're searching and they're landing on my YouTube channel also, you'll find it. Engagement about the audience. Now, what are the top playlist? SEO training videos, 21% of the time people are watching. Cards, we gave our cards, right? For the cards, you got any engagement or not, you will find here. Audience. Now here, when your viewers are on YouTube, this is very important. Based on that, you can judge which time is good for you. If you see, after 12 p.m., people are good actually. The next time I'll make a video over there. Okay. Now from where I'm getting traffic? India, US, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Philippines. If I click on more, you'll be getting. Subscribers, bell notification. Subscribers who turned on all notification for your channel, 31%. Total 2,700 people who clicked on notification. They're getting notified. And enable notification. This is 1.5. Female, male percentage, age difference. This is important. With this, in the future, if you want to run ads also, to this audience, you can run the ads. Returning viewers and new viewers. Finally, revenue. December $124, January 114, February, March, April, May. When it comes to me, the direct revenue as of now, this is this much only because I have 8,000 subscribers. It's been 6 months I'm not making the videos. And in the long run, if I'm able to attract 1 lakh subscribers, there are so many people with the Telugu channels, they have 1 lakh subscribers, but their revenue is very less. I'll come to that point actually. We had a conversation about blogging, right? Which country you're targeting? What is your niche? Also very important. If you're targeting US and Europe, you end up getting more money. Niche also very important. If you're writing about regular news, when people running ads, they will not choose this actually. Anything related to technology, travel, food, health, good ads will come. That's why these channels, again, when they're targeting these countries, they end up getting paid well. Again, if you do technology, travel and target India, less amount. Again, if you do news and India, that's very less. 1 lakh subscribers is equal to my 8,000 subscribers. I've seen few of my students who have 1 lakh subscribers. They're targeting literally to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Their revenue is $100 only. I have only 8,000 subscribers. Still, I'm getting this much of amount. So be smart work actually. Target these Western countries with the proper niche so that your time and efforts will give you more money. Now, what kind of ads are coming on my website? Skippable ads are coming more. Next comments. See, just now you did it and I'll be replying back to you. There is a comment like how to change target gender on a running ad. Her question is, when you're running a Google ads, we were targeting male and female will do. In search network, there is no such option. Even display, she want to do, we can do it. Now I'll take a time, I'll sit here, I'll reply back to her. Now, assume that she is a businesswoman and she couldn't able to do it. And if she liked my video, there is a possibility she will become a client actually. That's why be patient and reply back to all the comments. Now there are some boards will be there. With the boards, they keep on, see this guy is doing a spam actually. These are spammy comments actually. At this time you can simply ignore them or hide use from channel. Now she watched my Facebook custom tab and she's asking me how to add a quiz tab. Actually, even I don't know how to add the quiz tab. Now I have to research over there and I should reply back, or else I have to make a video. I have to notify that. Now she'll become she improved the trust on my channel and she continuously come for the next videos. Yeah, there are some comments still I didn't reply because I was not active. I'll be doing it.
So
Yes.
you're talking about the revenue, right? People who are targeting India, they're getting less amount even though after having
More
more
subscribers.
subscribers.
True.
Like, how is it calculated? Because ultimately the revenue depends upon the views and number of subscribers, right?
No. Who told you? Money is not depend on the subscribers on the views. No.
Then,
How YouTube is earning money based on the ads only, right? Correct.
right?
What kind of ads coming? The ads. Uh, I don't know whether I saved that image or not. Don't think I saved them out. So it's end of the day advertiser. If ICICI Bank ad is coming, obviously he pay a lot of money compared to GoDaddy. GoDaddy pay less amount. Now GoDaddy targets that, okay, I want to target all the ad, whether it is a news channel, whether it is a food channel, whether it is a Indian or American. Yeah, obviously pay. But when it comes to ICICI Bank, is very particular. I'm ready to pay more money, but my target audience will be people who watching videos about mutual funds insurance. At that time, definitely ICICI Bank ad will not come to you. So you're missing that guy actually. So remember, money is not depends on the number of subscribers, number of views. It depends on what kind of ads are coming. That's why if you do a proper videos, then it okay. But you already made your mind to do the food thing, so you can't do anything anyway. So one thing I'm telling you, more views equals to more money. This is okay. But when you compare the same thing with other channel, now you assume that you got 1 lakh subscribers. 1 lakh subscribers. Even ODMT also have 1 lakh subscribers. I assume. Today you release the video, and I also released the video, and we both got 1 lakh views. Now for the 1 lakh views, the revenue, if you see, you will get shocked actually. For the 1 lakh views, I end up with something $500. Now where you end up with $20. That is a difference. It based on the ads, guys, and where the viewers are coming from, US, UK also. Initially you're doing this channel, it's okay. But apart from that, if you have a time, try to create another channel where you're targeting US and UK, so that you'll end up more money. Recently, one of the guy explaining about the channel views and money. Last year also released videos, right? Big Boss fame last year. She's income, her income is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs last year talks. Now see, she have around 9 lakhs means 1 million subscribers. Even though she have 10 lakh subscribers, she's getting only 2 lakhs rupees because completely targeting Indians only. I said Social Blade, right? If you go to Social Blade clearly explain. This is a rough estimation and it's not exactly correct. Put it here, it will show you the numbers. Total 347 videos she uploaded. Not easy this is. Uh, she created on 2019, but after this uh, Big Boss only, she uploaded more videos. 347 means awesome. So a lot of hard work she did it anyway. Subscribers, total video views, country targeting India, channel type entertainment. And revenue, if you see, estimated revenue is $619. So this is okay. Monthly earning, let's see, 51,000. 51,000, no, it's not correct. It's based on the views he calculated actually. But 51,000 is 35 lakhs approximately. But in the between, if you see again, she's getting around 2 lakhs rupees, but which is very less as compared to other channel. Let me show you another channel. Subside PPC. 418 upload. You have less subscribers than last year. Okay, based on the numbers he's showing anyway. Social Blade again anyway he doesn't know, but if that guy subside PPC reveals, then we'll come to know. Obviously, this guy is earning a lot of money actually. The advantage of this guy and my channel is people see the content. Direct income might be less, but indirect income will be more. Okay, so Divya, in the future again I'm telling you, alternately start one channel targeting US and Europe. Observe both of them, because if you put a lot of time and efforts on one channel and other guy doing a smart work, maybe in the future you will regret. This is sure. Money will not come for the views and subscribers. There are some people who have millions of subscribers also, they end up nothing actually. It's all about the ads. If the advertiser shows, now sometimes there is a tech guruji. Most of the companies in India, they mention that I want to show my ad on the tech guruji only. Those kind of advertisers also will be there anyway. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. And what kind of content we have to choose for the global reach?
A global reach means like, see now, see again, there are in the blogging I explained you right. Uh, Regular news, trending news will be there. When it comes to trending news, what happens? It will become viral in a day.
Hmm.
Okay, but in the long run, this will not work. But there are something called lifetime content will be there, like Bermuda Triangle, right? Bermuda Triangle. Then next is what is black fungus? Now, recently they started, right? Now, black fungus is not famous now. Now, if you start selling about what black fungus, maybe within next 3 months, 1 lakh views will come. Even subscribers also. Black fungus is a global content now. In such a way, Bermuda Triangle also global content. Everybody will see. Now, what's happening in Israel? What is Israel? In such a way, or else travel, related to travel. What are the beautiful destinations in Spain, in Texas? This kind of content also the international content, so that more people watch and you'll end up more money. To do that, take 1 month time, see all the international content, what people are doing it actually, or else search on the YouTube top YouTube earnings. You'll see what they're doing. Based on that, you can go it. Again, I'm telling you, India competition is always high in India. If one person succeeded, 1,000 people start the same thing. Instead of that, US people are not that much. They're very busy actually. So if you target them, you can make more money, right? This is smart work actually. Now in India, I'm telling you, a lot of competition is there. It's always better to go for the US market, so that you will succeed actually. A very less number of people are there in the Western country. They started the channels. That's why they follow our channels. Conclusion: if you want to start a YouTube channel with one Gmail account, one YouTube channel is always good. Should get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to monetize your content. When you're uploading the video, the quality should be good, and content should be good actually. People should at least watch for 5 minutes. Concentrate on title, description, and tags. Make sure the thumbnail is good. Make sure that watch time is increased. This depends on the content, but I show you one trick. Initial, share your friends to the 10 people and ask them to watch till the end, so that at least YouTube will recommend for 1,000 more people. And you should share your content on the social media. This will also give you ranking. And for this, what is your video score? VidIQ, and what is the other one I said? TubeBuddy. If you go there, they'll tell you what is your score of the video. That is also important for you. Then comments. Always reply back to the comments so that they develop trust. Connect, conversation, and conversions. And always check your analytics, how the video is performing, so that you can do much better. You will see the analytics over here, and it slowly improve means you're doing good actually. Now here, right hand side, last 48 hours, how many people are there, it will show you. Okay, any questions guys on this YouTube? No
Sir,
questions? Yeah,
Question.
tell me.
yeah. So we were watching one Tamil YouTube channel.
Which is a food vloggers channel
They're doing the content in Tamil language, but when comes to the ad was like
in Telugu.
in Telugu. Why is it?
Because you're watching.
Oh,
Acha,
it depends
geographical
upon the
area.
viewer's geography.
See, I'm telling you, ads will follow you based on your cookies. That's what I'm telling. If the same Tamil channel, the guy in US is watching, he will be getting a US ad because ads will come based on the person interest. That's what I'm telling you. Instead of targeting Indians, target US and UK so that their audience interest ads will come. Make sense? Make sense what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. So this shows the example anyway. So you're watching the Tamil content, still Telugu ad is coming because YouTube understand that you are the Telugu guy, and based on that, the cookies and all these things, Telugu ad is coming anyway. That's it. Based on the cookies. Any other question? Right.
That's it.
I'll be making more videos in the future. Again, each and every video, why this video got succeeded, I'll be mentioning. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much.